Oh, is that how you feel?
Huh?
I said when? Where and how hard?
Right now.
Oh, hell no.
I'll see what the problem is, bro. It's okay for bros.
No.
Dude, it's okay, man.
And it's okay for bros to hug, not the fuck.
Actually, that's not completely true. It's okay for bros to hug, kiss, make out, all that stuff. It's just not okay for bros to fuck.
Yeah. That's some shit piece of love right there.
You like my gear?
Yeah, man.
Awesome, man.
I like how it all matches too. Got all the gear.
Look at me, man. No mask, bro. No mask. I'm not doing that shit. How good do you think this is gonna come out?
Seeing as how you can't see, not that good. You got it stuck. No, you didn't. Oh, damn.
You can take it out of the mask. If this comes out beautiful, give me $5.
Shit.
I'm gonna get a piece of duct tape, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it on the sleeve of my jacket. I'm gonna draw a notch and walk around the class with it.
Walk around with a notch.
I got a hand right here.
I got two.
Here, give me one.
You don't get this one.
Give me one.
The old shitty one.
Fuck out! I'm just joking, Jimmy. I'm joking. Don't cry. He's crying, bro. That looks fucking. Yeah, look at that nigger. Oh. Did it come out second?
Damn it to hell.
You can put my mask down, dude. Just don't put it down on your face.
It's watching.
Skulls are watching us. Okay.
Ready? Good stuff. The camera, man, it gets all fuzzy when it starts doing, when you start loading.
Yeah. You gotta keep it in the mask.
You just told me.
If you're gonna look at that, you have to keep it on the mask. I guess you're right, I can't see for shit.
Oh, hell, that shit hit me.
Fuck over it. You gotta remember, I burned my lip last year.